Well, a warm welcome back to the channel, everybody. We did tell you, didn't we, that we would keep caravanning all the way through autumn and winter.
Here we go again.
We're knocking on the door of November, and we're off to one of our favourite places.
Yeah.
What county are we going to be in?
Suffolk.
In the county of Suffolk. Now, you'll have to watch the interactive map coming up now, and you might even have an idea where we're going. We will see you
when we get there.
When we get there.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
What an absolutely gorgeous evening. Late October. Been a lovely day, and here we are at the Willows Campsite in Mildenhall, and over here, facing east, the base is preparing itself for night flights. But right now, the best view is in the other direction. Look at this. More or less beer time. It's about 7:15. It's getting dark early now, isn't it? Helen's just fixing the drinks. Well, at least that's what I told her to do. Candles are lit. And somewhere in the background is an aeroplane. Actually, it's a CV-22 Osprey. So back on the Woodford's Wherry here at Mildenhall at the Willows Campsite. This is an amber ale. It's 3.8% volume. It's a good alternative to my favourite ghost ship. I've got those in the van as well, but I thought I'd have a couple of these tonight. You've got to hold it high, Helen, to get a head on it.
Oh.
But here it comes. Can you see that?
Yeah.
That's a big head. I've got a big head.
Yes.
Oh. Yes.
You mean the beer?
You see we've got the candles going, look? And The light's on.
Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah.
Helen's got herself a quilt round her because she's cold.
Well, it's a bit damp, and it's been lovely though. It's been
Beautiful.
lovely.
Mm.
And we're just spectating because I think there's some more aeroplanes coming.
There's an osprey knocking about. We know he's doing the round. I've got the airband radio on, that's what you can hear in the background, and you may well hear a few aeroplanes flying over.
Stay on this heading for now. Flying's going to give us a call back. 0370. That Express 2 Juliet Bravo, London Control, route direct capture.
We absolutely love it here, we really do. We do nothing really but watch aeroplanes most of the time. Well, it's an absolute glorious morning at the Willows Campsite. We're getting ready to go out. I think Helen's out here somewhere. Where are you, Helen?
Putting the dog in.
All right. What are we up to?
The dog in.
The dog in. We're not going to be putting the dog in. What are we doing today?
I found a nice walk that we're going to go to about 25 minutes away in the car
Okay.
in Cambridge, so we're going to go there.
There's all this aviation action going on. You want to go for a walk?
Yes.
What are we bothering for? Well, a walk it is then. Where's the dog?
In the car ready.
She's ready, so you're waiting on me.
Yeah.
Right. So we've got all the essential stuff in here, look.
And I always.
Air straighteners, the Trevin Soup Posh Cats mug that needs a wash. Bed's made. I just did that a little while ago.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Look at the sunshine, can you believe it? Have you had a shower in the caravan?
Yeah.
Blimey. What are you doing now then, making a cup of tea?
No, get the dog some water.
Oh, right, okay. Right, well, I don't think we need to worry about rain. There's not a cloud in the sky. Well, we've left the site and come for a walk to a place called Anglesey Abbey, which is just near Cambridge and about a 20-minute drive from RAF Mildenhall. And the main reason we've come here, apart from to give Bella a nice walk, is to enjoy this lovely autumn sunshine, and we hope capture some nice video and photography of all the lovely autumn colours. I mean, look at these trees over here, look. This is why you've got to keep caravanning as long as you can. It's a lovely bit round here. Someone's doing some tree felling or something, making a bit of noise in the background, but this is gorgeous. Look, there's any fish down here. It's a lovely mill here. Look at all the algae on the water. It's like pea soup, isn't it? What do you reckon to this bit then, Helen?
Wow. Yeah, it's good. We're in the shade, that's the only thing wrong. But I do like walking in trees anyway. Quite therapeutic, isn't it?
It is.
Not that we're tree huggers, are we?
Well, I've seen you hug a stone before.
Hey?
Standing stone.
Oh. No, touched it.
Well, it's such a lovely day.
Look, there's some ribbons on that tree just there, blue and yellow.
Where are they then?
Just here, look.
Oh yeah. For Ukraine, wasn't it?
Can't see any others.
Nice little bit here by the mill.
It's lovely, isn't it? Nice house.
Beautiful cottage.
I can't believe how warm it is today.
I think we've referenced that about 10 times, but it really is so hot. It's incredible. So where's the old mill? And then this cottage. It's got lovely gardens. Big old wisteria plant growing there. It must be years old. If we hang left round here.
I think Bella wants to go again.
Yeah, I bet she does. That's why her tongue's hanging down to her paws.
She has a walk.
Yeah, she's had a drink. Right, I think this takes us back to the tennis courts and then round to the right. And we're back at the car park. Bell, Juju. Oh yeah, she's a good duck.
In yellow colours.
Beautiful, aren't they? There's a squirrel up there. Gave Helen a fright. When you want to play tennis on your own. Help! So, if you have been, thanks for watching. If you haven't done yet, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in our next video. Bye for now.
Bye.